Hi everyone, this is Marjorie and this is my husband Dan. Many of you know Dan. Welcome to my channel. Do you want to lose weight? Do you fail time after time? Or do you gain it all back like after the holidays? Well, if so, you're in the right place because so do we. And so if you're new here, would you please subscribe and ring the little bell and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get right into it because we're going to do something unique and different. Well, not unique, but kind of for a video on my channel, it's unique. First of all, I'd like to tell you I've lost over a year and a half. I've been on keto, and in the first 6 months, I lost 50 pounds and kept it all off, except I've gained a few pounds back, just a few, over the holidays. Dan has only been on keto for what, 2 months?
About 2.5.
2.5 months, and he's lost 20 pounds, and I think he may have gained a pound back or something. So we're not going to focus on what the actual number is. We're going to focus on how much we lose each day and how good our numbers are. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to talk to you about what our plan is to buckle down on keto now that it's the new year, and what we do, and also we're going to test our blood ketones and our blood sugar. So.
Oh, good.
Oh, good. Just a little poke. First of all, let's get on with it. This is the Precision Extra. It is, oh yeah, I still have it in there. It's the monitor and the little lancet. And these are lancets. It has a pocket to keep your alcohol wipes, your ketone measurement, and your sugar measurement. If you don't have that, I highly recommend that you get keto sticks. You'll see on the side there's a color chart. Right now I am right here on the color chart when I pee on the little stick.
I'm not.
Dan's sad because he used to be very purple and right now he's just in the not. So we're going to do Dan's ketones and see what's going on with Dan right now. And then I'm going to talk to you while we're waiting for. So here's what I'm doing. I'm putting twist the little top off of the little, ouch, sticker thing that I just stuck on myself. Should have put this in there first. Okay. Alrighty, so we got that in. Push it in, good. It has a dial. I've got it set to 7 because Dan is a guy and he, uses his hands outside a lot. So, okay, and he's opening his little alcohol wiper thing. Go ahead. I'm just getting ready while you're doing it. And, okay, I think the sugar is the blue. And you take the little monitor, you open up your little thingy. I like to keep it very clean. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put this in, take the cover off. I'm gonna, which this finger?
Yeah.
Okay, hold your finger up so we can see. I'm going to make him scream.
Ow!
Okay,
Hold
it's
on,
ready to test, so he's got to squeeze the blood
There it
out. Okay, up so people can see. He's got a little dot of blood here. We're going to hold this in there. Oh, it's counting down. Don't get rid of that blood yet.
I'm not.
Uh-oh.
What is
His blood sugar is 104. Remember that number, Dan. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to open up the ketone meter. Test the blood sugar first. It goes rapidly. I'm going to stick the little thingy in, and we're going to test his. Why isn't it?
I don't know. There's plenty of blood there.
I know. I may have to. Why isn't this? Okay, that one's not working. I don't know. Here, I'll take this one and use it. We'll do it again. Placemats are red, so it doesn't really matter if Dan bleeds all over the place.
Yeah, everything's red now.
Why isn't it registering? Okay. Now maybe it wasn't quite. Yeah, maybe it wasn't quite ready. There we go. Has a little blood driplet. That means it's ready.
Up top.
Up at the top?
Yeah.
Well, there's not enough to fill it up, I don't think.
All right, we'll get the drop right there then.
Okay. Now it's counting down on the ketones. See it right there? Oh, I'm shaky. Wait. No, 0.05.
0.5. I was going to say, I don't think I'm 2.0 when I'm
Okay,
not registering on that.
0.05 is the very bottom line for being or 0.5 is the very bottom line for being in ketosis. So now then, how much time? We have 5 minutes on here? Okay, we're going to do mine real quick and see what pops up. So, I'm going to put a different lancet in. It's, just for, don't want to contaminate things. When you're done, make sure you carefully throw all of this debris away. I usually put it all in a baggie. Okay, and I'm going to wipe off my finger with the alcohol probe. Put the little cover back on here. And let's see. I don't have anything open here, do I? Nope. Okay, opening it. Uh-oh. We're just going to do ketones first on mine. And it's counting down, so I need to... Oh, that wasn't that bad. Oh, and it's ready, and I don't have hardly any blood coming out. There we go.
There you go.
We're going.
You're getting blood.
Okay. Now, let's see if I have enough blood here. Okay.
Yep.
I have no idea. Haven't tested my blood ketones for probably a month. So we're going to see. We're 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2.2. It's backwards, isn't it? Okay. So I'm 2.2. And now I'm going to do my blood sugar. I've been on keto for a long time. Dan's still a newbie. And so when he, kind of...
2.5 months is a newbie?
Yeah. There's people that have been on keto for a long time and have lost 100 pounds or more.
You still got blood?
Oh, well, let's see. We'll find out if I got enough blood. Oh, yeah. Okay. And 3, 2, 1, 83. My blood sugar's lower.
Mine was 104.
104, okay. 83. So, that's basically how we test our ketones. And we're going to do this regularly. We're not going to do it on here regularly, but I will tell you what our ketone levels are. I'll report them now and then. I kind of have a theory when I'm doing keto strictly. I do weigh myself every morning. I do pee on the stick and I test my ketones if the stick is looking a little pale or something. I like to keep my blood sugar down. That means I'm really getting the energy boost from ketosis and from being in ketosis. And my body is shifting over to burning fat instead of burning carbs for fuel. Now, at my stage, when I've lost 50 pounds, if I overeat cheese, if I overeat nuts or anything like that, I don't lose. So here's what we're going to do to kind of buckle down, because Dan would like his numbers lower and he would like his sticks to be purple again, because he was fabulously purple and I was jealous of him for like the last 3 weeks. Okay, number 1, we're going to weigh daily in my case. I think weekly for him.
Yeah, I'm not doing daily.
Yeah. And I'm doing daily because that's what I did when I started. And we're going to log it. And number 2, we're going to test our ketones and blood sugar, or at least the keto sticks. Number 3, and we're going to do that all the time. Number 3, we're going to enter our carbs in an app. Whoops, the washing machine's done. We're going to enter our carbs, minimum of entering our carbs every day as we eat in our app, preferably right before you eat something, because otherwise you're going to forget to put it down. So enter it and then only eat that amount. I ordered a new scale that's really cool for food, and I'll show you that when it comes. It should be here Thursday on Amazon. Number 4, this is important. Only eat when hungry so that you can, heighten your awareness of what is hunger, because let's face it, anybody that's ever really hungry in this country, well, not everybody in this country has plenty of food, but I mean, of our friends and neighbors, we're all fortunate and we all have way more food to eat than we need. So only eat when hungry. Become aware of when you're hungry, what hunger feels like. It's okay. You're not going to get hurt. You're not going to lose, you're not going to die from malnutrition. Number 5, stop when full. Now, we have a habit. I mean, I used to be a nonstop popcorn eater, and I think that's why the peanuts were a downfall for me, because peanuts are technically, some people say you can have them on keto. Not me. No, not for me. So anyway, weigh regularly, test your ketones regularly, enter your carbs in your app regularly, daily. Only eat when hungry and stop when full. And I got this list from Go Keto with Casey, and it's basically what I'm following. No more, you can eat all the meat, chicken, eggs, fish that you want, basically, because it's hard to overeat those. It's not like it's candy or cake. Number 2 on here is salad greens. You can have 2 cups a day maximum. Non-starchy vegetables, 1 cup a day. I prefer most of the time not to eat too many vegetables. I just really don't care for them. I like maybe some salad with blue cheese or something.
I like them.
Yeah, and Dan likes them, so everybody's different. 6 olives a day, half of an avocado a day, full fat cheese up to 2 ounces a day. Do you know what that is? That's 2 Baby Bells. That's not a 6-pack of Baby Bells. Okay, cream, up to 2 tablespoons a day. That includes your cream in your coffee and and sour cream. I'm sorry, cream in your coffee and sour cream, 2 tablespoons a day. Mayo, 2 tablespoons a day. And a lot of people can have a 1/4 cup a day of berries, but since I've lost weight and now I'm trying to get back on losing again, no nuts, no berries for me. And every day it's important to take your magnesium supplement, which is Natural Calms for us, to get your magnesium. Eat pink Himalayan salt and use it often, because you're not eating processed foods and they are going to be loaded with sodium, and so now you're going to be needing sodium. And then the last thing is make sure you have your keto sticks. I'm gonna say bye now, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and there we go, 2 thumbs up. And please comment below and tell me where you're at on your keto journey. Are you just starting because it's the new year, or are you actually
Stalling like me.
Stalling like Dan, or getting back in like me? Thanks. Bye now.